Please go easy on me. As Tom Petty says, it's the waiting. That's the hardest part. I might get to see my buddy Roland today. He said he was coming to this Suzuki event with his riding group. Oh my goodness. Hang on. This bridge has needed repair for as long as I can remember. So the good news that we just learned is my kill switch on my thumb works. That was one of the things that I worked on my 75,000 mile service. Last year I pulled up to one of those signs just like that on North Carolina 28. I hit the kill switch, and when the light turned green, the bike wouldn't go. So when I did my 76 mile service, 75,000 mile service, I went ahead and I changed out my throttle cable because my throttle was really sloppy. The cable was worn. Let me just tell you, 75,000 miles, your throttle cable was worn. So I had bought if you see my videos where I got bad gas, I bought a new throttle body, and it came with an airbox and stuff. And when I got it, the throttle cables were connected. So I just went ahead and rerouted everything. It came off of a 1098S with very low miles, I might add. So I might be able to go another 70,000 miles before I get a lot of slop in my throttle again. It was so sloppy I couldn't even adjust it out with the little extenders that are there by the triple tree. Because I know you guys are thinking that. It was bad. That cable, those two cables were stretched. But I went ahead, and when I had that apart, I cleaned up that switch, that kill switch, really well. And then I stacked it full of marine grease, so I don't have to worry about moisture and weather and whatnot getting in it. My laser is going off right now. I don't know where he's at. Oh, there he is. My laser's going off crazy. Woo! That Porsche warned me. Okay, that's 3. That's 3. Not even fair. Why? I mean, why would you even come here and ride this road? This is a Friday. This is Friday at noon. Man. I can already tell you guys, I'm not going back that way. Traffic was bad through Blairsville. I already know there's 3 cops on this road, so why would I want to deal with 3 cops and then all the traffic through Blairsville? I'll just take 60 down and then some back roads over. If there's 3 on a Friday, you can only imagine how many cops are out here on a Saturday and Sunday. It's not even worth riding. I guess if you're on a Harley and you don't know how to ride, I should have told him there were 3. Yeah, Camp Happy Fun Times for being out on a motorcycle, on a sport bike in Georgia are behind us. At least the speed limit is 35 miles an hour. They got their own little airport down there. That's really cool. He was friendly. Oh wow. Where's this guy at? Where is he? He hit me hard. Look at all these people. That's what I was afraid of. Everybody and their brother's gonna be here. There it is. If I liked y'all, I'd wear my helmet over there, record all this. But this is what TWO looks like. It's just as I remember. The median age is like 97. But I'll talk to y'all later.